Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina and today we are diving into a super important topic, self-love. Yep, we are going to talk about how to love yourself in a world that's always trying to tell us that we aren't good enough. But guess what? You are enough. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about why self-love is crucial. When you love yourself, you set the standard for how others should treat you. It's like being the VIP of your own life. And who doesn't want to be a VIP, right? So how do you actually start loving yourself? Here are my top tips. Talk to yourself like you would to a friend. Imagine your best friend is having a rough day and feeling down. You wouldn't berate them or tell them they are a failure. Instead, you would offer words of encouragement, remind them of their strengths, and show compassion. So why not apply the same kindness to yourself? When you catch yourself engaging in negative self-talk, pause and reframe your thoughts. Practice affirmations and gentle self-talk, acknowledging your efforts and progress. Embrace your flaws. Nobody is perfect, and that's what makes us unique. Your imperfections and quirks are part of what defines you as an individual. Instead of striving for an unattainable ideal of perfection, learn to accept and love these aspects of yourself. By embracing your whole self, including your flaws, you foster a sense of authenticity and self-acceptance. Set boundaries. Setting boundaries is a crucial aspect of self-care and self-respect. Learning to say no to requests or activities that drain your energy is vital for maintaining your mental and emotional well-being. Saying no doesn't make you selfish. It allows you to protect your time and resources for things that truly matter to you. Establish clear limits with others regarding what is acceptable and what is not, and don't be afraid to enforce them. Boundaries help you prioritize your needs, reduce stress, and create a healthier, more balanced life where you can thrive. Set achievable goals. Breaking down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks can make even the most daunting objectives feel attainable. Set realistic and specific short-term goals that lead towards your bigger aspirations. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small it may seem. This is not only keeps you motivated, but also builds confidence in your ability to achieve what you set out to do. Acknowledging each step forward reinforces a positive self-image and encourages continued growth and development. Focus on your strength. Identifying and focusing on your strengths is a powerful way to build self-esteem and confidence. Engage in activities that highlight your skills and talents, and seek out opportunities that allow you to shine. Reflect on past accomplishments and moments where you felt proud of your abilities. By regularly recognizing and leveraging your strength, you create a positive feedback loop that enhances your sense of self-worth. This focus shifts your attention away from perceived weakness and towards the many things you excel at. Nourish your body. Treating your body well is a fundamental aspect of self-love. Just as you wouldn't put low-quality fuel in a high-performance car, nourish your body with nutritious food, get enough sleep, and stay active. Eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and incorporating regular physical activity into your routine can boost your energy levels, improve your mood, and enhance overall well-being. Prioritizing self-care practices that honor your body's needs demonstrate a deep respect for yourself and helps you feel more vibrant and alive. Celebrate small wins. Recognizing and celebrating small victories is essential for building a positive self-image. Whenever it's getting out of bed on a tough day, completing a task at work, or making time for a hobby, each achievement is worth acknowledging. Take time to reflect on these successes and remind yourself of what you are capable of accomplishing. This practice of celebrating small wins creates momentum and motivates you to keep moving forward, reinforcing a sense of accomplishing and self-worth. Face your fears. Confronting your fears gradually and stepping out of your comfort zone can significantly build confidence and self-esteem. Start with small challenges that push you slightly beyond your comfort level and celebrate each success, no matter how minor. Over time, these small victories accumulate and you begin to realize that you are capable of more than you initially believed. Facing fears head-on rather than avoiding them empowers you to overcome obstacles and reinforces a resilient and courageous mindset. Surround yourself with positive people. The company you keep has a significant impact on your self-perception and overall outlook on life. Surround yourself with uplifting individuals who encourage and believe in you. Positive relationships provide a sense of belonging, reduce stress, and boost your self-esteem. Seek out friendships and connections that inspire you to be the best self and distance yourself from toxic relationships that drain your energy and undermine your confidence. A strong support network is invaluable for nurturing self-love and personal growth. And the last one, practice gratitude. Incorporating gratitude into your daily routine can have profound effects on your mental and emotional well-being. Each night, write down 3 things you are grateful for. This practice shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a positive mindset. Over time, gratitude can enhance your mood, improve your outlook on life, and increase your resilience in the face of challenges. By consistently acknowledging the good in your life, you cultivate a habit of appreciation and contentment, which are key components of self-love. Remember, self-love isn't a destination, it's a journey. Some days will be harder than others, and that's okay. The key is to keep moving forward and being kind to yourself along the way. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And drop a comment below sharing your favorite self-love tip. And remember, stay awesome, stay kind, and most importantly, stay you. See you next time.